Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and take a look at what is currently the best 3D printer for furries. These individual printers are used in any condition, from printing small trinkets to large-scale sculptures, and have become quite popular among furry fans. And with that in mind, we will explore the best 3D printers for furries and what makes them stand out from the competition. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a massive difference in the performance of your creations. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printer models that furries can use. The output of each 3D printer is truly impressive, and they are equipped with various features that allow the user to take their creativity to the next level. Plus, these 3D printers are especially for users who want to produce highly detailed art pieces. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Geeetech Upgraded Multicolor FDM 3D Printer. In today's fast-paced world of endless creativity, there's a 3D printer that's about to turn your furry dreams into vibrant reality. Meet the sensational Geeetech Upgraded Multicolor FDM 3D Printer, a magical tool that's taking the art of printing to the next level. Ditch the monotony of monochrome. With the unique multicolor printing mode, this printer breathes life into your creations by seamlessly blending two filaments, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors. Unleash your inner artist with the creative mixed color printing mode, where two filaments collide to birth a brand new hue, or they gracefully mingle to craft a gradient masterpiece. But it's not just about colors, it's about precision. Say hello to the 3D Touch Auto Leveling and 32-bit TMC 2208 silent board. With a touch, this marvel levels itself within a blink while the silent board orchestrates symphonies of smoothness, keeping the noise to a mere whisper. With double Z-axis screws and an all-metal body structure, stability and accuracy are the name of the game. Versatility is its forte. It embraces filament 1.75 mm PLA/ABS/PETG, opening doors to endless possibilities. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. Are you looking to bring your furry creations to life in the most spectacular way? Then the Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D printer is the ultimate tool for furries who demand perfection in their prints. Unleash your creativity and watch as this masterpiece of technology weaves your imagination into reality. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and uneven prints. The advanced Titan extruder ensures seamless filament flow and precision that's a cut above the rest. Dual Z-axis synchronization takes your print quality to new heights by keeping the X-axis parallel, ensuring flawless results every time. Automatic bed leveling? The Sidewinder X2's intelligent design takes care of that for you, ensuring a smooth foundation for your furry wonders. And talk about speed, with a maximum printing velocity of 150 millimeters per second, efficiency meets excellence. Are you worried about interruptions? Fear not! After detecting filament exhaustion or power hiccups, the resume printing function picks up right where it left off. Plus, you can dive into peaceful, ultra-silent printing mode thanks to the cutting-edge motherboard and stepper driver. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer is an optimistic and awesome choice for all the furries who want to turn their wildest dreams into tangible, tail-twitching reality. With its CR Touch automatic leveling, saying goodbye to the hassle of leveling is like shedding old fur. This intelligent sensor zips through 25 points on the heat bed, ensuring you start printing without a fur-raising hitch. But wait, there's more! This printer's build volume isn't just significant, it's colossal, 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters, giving your imagination an endless playground. Whether it's a massive masterpiece or a bunch of mini critters, you're covered. The dual Z-axis dances like a synchronized duo, cutting out those pesky printing deviations. It's like having your fur all groomed and neat. The full metal extruder doesn't just sound cool, it's the real deal, with superpowers to keep the filament flowing like a breeze. And the best part? This printer is quieter than a purring kitten thanks to the 32-bit silent mainboard, so you can create without disturbing your cozy lair. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Anycubic Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer. Are you looking to bring your fur-tactic fantasies to life? Your quest ends here with the Anycubic Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer, the crown jewel for furry aficionados. Unveil a world where imagination meets reality, boasting pixel-perfect prowess with its 9.1-foot 4K plus LCD screen. Say goodbye to blurry lines. Each pixel is a mere 48 micrometers, a whopping 4% boost in detail over its predecessor. Your creations will practically wag their tails. But wait, there's more! The Photon Mono X2's secret weapon? Anycubic's enchanting light turbo matrix light source. This otherworldly sorcery beams UV light like never before, wrapping your models in a symphony of uniform illumination. No furry dreamscape is complete without stability. The Mono X2 reigns supreme here. Twin linear guides dance along its z-axis, vanquishing layer shifts like a knight in shining armor. Versatility? It's got that too. Photon Workshop, Chitabox, Lychee, this beauty plays nicely with all your favorite slicing software. And guess what? It's the ultimate beast for furry artistry. No Anycubic cloud is required. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Voxelab Aquila X2 3D Printer. Unleash your creativity with the ultimate companion for furries, the Voxelab Aquila X2 3D Printer. And the magic doesn't stop there. The Aquila X2 boasts a symphony of precise filament control, erasing jittery nightmares and cradling your PLA, ABS, PETG, and even flexible materials like a gentle breeze. A carborundum glass platform that's not just a platform but a stage for your dreams. Heating up in a mere 5 minutes, it embarks on a war against warping, ushering in a new era of ultra-smooth first layers. Durability meets design as the Aquila original platform takes on high-intensity prints without breaking a sweat. The whispers of the night are no match for the Aquila X2's silent symphony. With a 32-bit motherboard, it dances through your projects gracefully, serenading you with low-decibel melodies while tackling unexpected power outages like a seasoned pro. Embrace the open-source magic, for this FDM printer wears the badge proudly, offering a spacious print volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches within its metal-framed embrace. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for furries. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.